Hi guys, it's Ray. I just want to unbox this quick for you guys. This is from Heat Transfer Source website. Don't get it confused with any of the other heat transfer websites. There's several that start with heat transfer. This one is Source. So they were running this crazy special, and it's currently showing out of stock. So I'm not sure if they just got backed up and pulled it for now, or if they're truly done with this promotion. But I ordered this like 2 weeks ago. So let's take a look. It is supposed to be 100 sheets of specialty vinyls. So let's take a look at what we got in our mystery bundle. So we got a aqua glitter, and this is all their in-house brand, but that is beautiful. Got this crazy holographic gold circles. This is gorgeous. It's like brushed holographic and in red. This is a trippy gold dot holographic. Pretty neat. This is actually like a textured feeling glitter. Interesting. Pink and purple ombre. Those dots in the red. A red like opal holographic. A blue metallic. This is really pretty. Another lined. I don't know if that's the same one or not. It's going to take me a minute to go through this. So I think there's maybe 50 different sheets in here. They may duplicate some. Actually, this looks like it has almost a purpley pink sheen, and this almost looks blue based. So they're the same pattern, but different. I don't know if that conveys on camera or not, where these are two different sheets. And this is cool. And a champagne gold metallic, a silver metallic, that same stuff in black, very cool, and orangey pink opal, like sunset colors. I would say this is a purple, but purple and gold. A pink metallic, a blue opal, a different silver metallic. This is pretty, rainbow holographic. It does have lines underneath if you look at it from a certain angle. A red metallic. There's that line stuff in gold again. Another opal in a purpley red. A blue and green, like metallic, not quite opal, but opally. That line stuff in blue. I love these. This is like a really light pearly pink kind of color. Green metallic. A darker green metallic. Another one of these that looks like a bluish base. And another gold based one. A purpley pink based one. Kind of peachy rose. Metallic-y one. Another glitter in a pale, like baby blue. A magenta, one of these lines. The black lines. A green, green, green opal. Ooh. A heart holographic. A peachy pink, yellowy, orange opal. A rainbow ombre with that like textured glitter. Purple metallic. A darker green opal. Purple, pink, and blue ombre textured glitter. Rose gold in that dotty craziness. It does have some holographic. I'm not sure if the camera's going to pick that up at all. But from a certain angle, it is a little bit hollow showing through. an ombre holographic, like a faux glitter. That in the gold, coppery gold metallic. A really pretty like seafoam green metallic. That dotty stuff in purple. Very cool. Kind of a greenier gold. This one's got a green base. Kind of like sunset colors in that ombre. A pink glitter. See, these have that lamination over the top, and this is actually kind of textured, but under epoxy it doesn't matter. One of these in silver. That magenta. Another pretty opal. Another pretty opal. Coppery dotty stuff. Yellow glitter. These glitters are really thick. Nice vinyls. It's like orangey copper metallic. A pink. I don't really see anything specialty about this, but another ombre one. Oh, one of the like oil slick type pieces. I love this. This is kind of a silvery blue dotty thing, but this is different. Well, maybe not. You can see the holographic better on this one though, and the tilt. Some pink metallic. See, now these two are the same. I believe there's supposed to be like at least 50 different sheets, and they might have duplicated them to get to the 100. So, which I am absolutely okay with. Another silver. That dark coppery color. The green. Another piece of that beautiful purple. The blue. That like more antique-y gold kind of color. That beautiful seafoam again. Another blue or opal. It's like almost lavendery pink metallic. It's kind of greenish gold metallic. This is almost like a sandy color. Glitter. The blue dots. A silver opal holographic. This might be like slightly lavender shaded. Another beautiful blue. And a reddish pink metallic. Coppery gold. Dots. Seafoam metallic. This is so pretty. This greeny blue metallic. Another glitter. These are all adhesive vinyl. These actually feel crazy thick like HTV, but they're not. The reddish opal. That purpley based one of these. Another silver metallic. Another one of these awesome pieces. The red dotty one. The gold lines. Red lines. Like a blue-gray metallic. Silver. Another purple metallic. The greeny gold. A blue metallic. A light purple glitter. A blue opal. A coppery metallic again, coppery orange. Another orange opal. I like neon orange. That may be where the specialty is in this, is that it's a neon. I don't know. And then this blue metallic. So that is all of it. Like I said, this currently says sold out, so I don't know if they're going to bring it back or not. I bet you that's what it is. I bet you these are neon. Oh, that's an opal. I don't know where the other piece went that felt like regular vinyl. But these are all very cool. Like really, really nice. They feel good. So that was my crazy good vinyl buy. I don't know if I'm going to sit here and sift through and match up what matches or not. I feel like there might have been like 3 of some, like this purple metallic, but they may be different when I get them together. I'm not sure. So, I mean, like I know this orange one that felt like vinyl, there was only 1 of those for sure. But I feel like this there was 3 of. But I am not upset about this. The cost on these ended up working out to like 25 cents before the shipping, with the shipping slightly more. But, I mean, I'm not mad at all about 3 sheets of this, or all of these opals and specialty ones. I am definitely going to have some fun with this stuff. So, and some of it may end up in a giveaway, because I don't necessarily need all of it. So, some of the dupes, basically. So, that is everything. Remember, it is, I'm going to show you again on the box. It is Heat Transfer Source. They ship out of Illinois. But I'm sure they have every bit of this listed on their website individually. So if there was something you saw that you have to have. So that is it. Thank you for watching, and be on the lookout for these showing up on cups and projects for the next quite a long while. Okay, just popping back in real quick. I did sort all of this, and I looked at the listing again, and it says 100 pieces in at least 50 distinct colors. So yes, there could be triplicates, singles, duplicates, whatever. But there's definitely 50 different things in here. I cannot find whatever these neon colors are. I did look to see if they were glow, and I didn't see them as a glow. But all of these ombre ones were different. All but one of these was a one-off. The oil slick is beautiful. The metallics have like 2 different sheens. Some of them are like matte, more pearl, and some of them are metallic, but there's a lot of that, which is great because I use a ton of those. And then there were the glitter sheets, and then the holographics were, or opals, they call them spectrum or something. This one's kind of a cross between a metallic and a hollow. It was kind of weird, and it was the only one like that. But there was definitely a way bigger variety of opal than I currently have. A lot of these I did get 2 sheets of. So, when I finally get my 10K giveaway video up, I think I'm going to pull all of the duplicates and include it in that, because I don't even have everything ready for that. I have some things ready, but not everything. So I think these are going to go in there, because it's a lot. And same with these, whatever dupe colors were in here will go in there. There weren't as many duplicates in this though, but this is seriously cool vinyl. So that was it. If they do happen to bring the sale back up, I will mention it in the comments and in my community feed, but I don't know. They could have just been so overwhelmed that they killed it entirely. So be on the lookout for my 10K giveaway video. I know I'm late on that. I've recorded it several times and deleted it, but it is what it is. So some of this is definitely going to go in there, but that is it. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, comment, all of that, and I will see you next time.